Hey folks, so here's what we're up to today. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to return to the cache, and we are going to read and respond to at least two of our peers' latest contributions to the cache. Remember, be meaningful in your responses. You don't have to respond to a ton of people, just two, so just don't phone it in, okay? And then from there, we are going to listen to episode 9 of the Left-Right Game. And the episode is The Only Way is Through. And so there's a link to the pod. And also, just go ahead and if you want to follow along with the written transcript, there is a link to do that. So most people, again, are going to complete task 2 and task 3 at the same time. So task 3 is just asking you to, while we're listening to that episode in class, just contribute to the Hot Takes forum. You, again, only need to contribute once, but most people will probably, just kind of use it to respond in the moment because it's fun to do. All right? So there's that. And then obviously, please read and respond to at least 2 of your peers' posts. So that's what we're doing today in class. For homework, you are going to finish up the Left-Right Game. We're going to watch episode 10, The End of the Road. Watch. You're going to listen to, unless you've got a very vivid imagination. There is the sort of written part of it if you want to follow along that way. I do want to say that if you want to, once you are done listening to the podcast, episode 10, feel free to head over into the Hot Takes, channel and just kind of post your response to the Left-Right Game, right? Just kind of like, oh my gosh, this is how it ended, or whatever you want to say, right? So just kind of use the Hot Takes forum to kind of get out those kind of like, I can't believe it sort of things, like let it be that space for you, all right? That's obviously optional, but I want you to know that that's there for you. And the reason why I'm saying this is because task 2 is asking you to write your first flash analysis post. And so just kind of like what I want you to, keep in mind is that the flash analysis post is actually like an analysis. So it's not like a reader response of what we've read, right? It's asking you to sort of like zero in on like one particular thing from the Left-Right Game that you want to talk about. So like, let's just say that there is something about, crip time is grief time. And you're like, yes, that. And I want to talk about like this particular piece of dialogue. And here's how I see this concept sort of applying to this particular situation and why and what this helps me see and why it's so significant, right? So that's what I mean, right? So it's not like, oh my gosh, I can't believe the ending happened this way. That's like really for the Hot Takes forum, all right? So you're going to write your first flash analysis post. If you need to do a refresher on the guidelines for the flash analysis, I've linked to that assignment. So just sort of keep that in mind. And then once you're done, you're going to post your 2 to 3 paragraphs to Slack. All right. It's not a shabby idea, especially if you're still trying to figure out how to do a post with several line breaks, to just kind of like create your flash analysis post first in like a Google Doc or something, and then copy it and then paste it all at once. If you're worried about like hitting return too soon, like that totally makes sense, right? So once you get that done, you'll post it to the Unit 1C Flash channel. And that is your homework, okay? So that's it.